All right, it's time for some motorcycle stuff. Putting the RV stuff on hold for the moment. It is time for GIBTOWN Bike Fest down in Gibsonton, Florida. And we're going to head down just for the evening. It's Friday evening. Bobby Friss is playing down there, one of our favorites. We're going to head on down there, check him out, and check out the sights around the Bike Fest, and then that'll be it. So let's do it.
Let's go.
The sun's going down. Should be a beautiful night.
Might be a little chilly. I'm putting my jackets on.
I'm bringing my jacket. Not wearing it yet. All right. In this video right now. All right, we made it. GIBTOWN Bike Fest. Traffic was kind of a pain in the ass, but we finally made it. So let's go on inside. It's cranking. You can hear the band inside.
Oh yeah.
They're fired up. Again, it's just Friday night. Saturday and Sunday are the big days. But we've never been here on the Friday night, so we thought we'd give it a shot.
Yeah.
All right.
Check it out.
Let's do it.
Just one pork chop then for you, sir?
All right, we'll do it. If that's not enough, I'll be back for another one.
I'll tell you what, I can only eat one. It takes me a couple hours to do it, too.
All right, we got Bobby Friss Band starting up right now.
Oh yeah.
We're hungry, so first thing we did was go find some food. Now, what did you get?
I got loaded tots. So it's pulled pork, cheese, jalapenos, barbecue sauce, pulled pork on top of tater tots.
Wow,
Yum. I had this last year. It was delicious.
that's a lot of food.
I know.
I got your standard BAP. There'll be your big ass pork chop. It's all in here. Hang on, here, hold that. It's in here. Oh, that's some good stuff. It's a pork chop. There we go. Big ass pork chops. Like I said, your standard BAP.
Yeah.
BAPC. All right, time to eat. I don't even know where the hell to start. All right, enjoy our beer, our drinks, listen to some Bobby Friss. All right, Patty's doing pretty good.
Oh yeah, I'm still going.
I have failed. Let me tell you what, this sucker right here,
That's a lot of meat.
that's an inch and a half, 2 inches thick. I mean, well, there goes the napkin. Anyway, I'm still nibbling at it, but damn, that's a lot of food.
Yeah.
For 10 bucks. You can't get a steak for 10 bucks. I mean, that was a pork steak for 10 bucks. That's not bad for a fair atmosphere. All right, so we got t-shirts. And what's cool about some of these rallies is that they will have t-shirts from previous events. Last year, I bought a GIBTOWN t-shirt that I really liked. And about 6 months later, dumped a whole bunch of barbecue ribs right down the front of it that I have not been able to get clean. They've got the exact same shirt here, and I was able to talk them into throwing it in for free since we just bought 2 new t-shirts for this year. So that was very nice of them. Very happy with that. So we're good to go. We got our GIBTOWN t-shirts.
Living free, sending right way right, asking nothing, living big, take it every day in my stride. Don't need reason, don't need rhyme. There ain't nothing that I drive out to. Going down, party time. My friends are gonna be there too. Everybody, I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. Come on, highway to hell. Highway to hell. No stop sign, speed limit. Nobody gonna slow me down.
All right, well, that is GIBTOWN 2020. The daytime has a lot more stuff going on, but we wanted to come for the nighttime, check out the bands, and see what the setup is like.
Oh, we've never done nighttime before.
We have not done nighttime. We usually
Stayed
come in the
into
day
evening, but yeah.
with the plan to stay late, but end up having a little too much daytime. So anyhow, that's it for this one.
Yeah.
Y'all take care and don't waste one single minute.